So let's say you have two suitors. One, whenever he comes to you, like first thing in the morning, he calls you, he greets you, he sends you nice messages during the day. At night before you sleep, he greets you good night. He sends a delivery guy to randomly bring you gifts. And then sometimes he just credits your account for no apparent reason. Then you have suitor B, who never calls, never sends gifts, never does nothing. The only times he calls you is when he's probably in trouble or he's in need of something. Which of these two suitors are you going to tend towards or yield towards better? The answer is obvious. So you want them to buy from you, but the only time they see you, you're always telling them to come and buy. Do you understand? Like, buying these days has gone beyond just opening up your shop, sitting there and hoping people walk in. Now people buy from brands they feel something for. People buy from brands they know, brands they have seen various contents from them, and because of those contents they like them, and to a point they have received something without asking, and it has made them to trust those brands. So have you been able to do that for your business? Like, these are questions you need to ask yourself, because if they are missing, if the response to all of these questions are no, there you have it. That's why you're not selling online. If you're currently a business owner who lacks clarity of how to market better and make more sales online, then you need to join the MIM challenge by clicking on the link in our bio.